Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the 3 best essential oils to repel mosquitoes that you should try. Watch till the end to find our best recommendations from the list. Our list begins with Murphy's Natural Lemon Eucalyptus Oil. Are you looking for a DEET-free essential mosquito repellent? If yes, then consider Murphy's Natural Lemon Eucalyptus Oil. It is an EPA-approved repellent that guarantees protection from mosquitoes. Lemon eucalyptus oils naturally have high amounts of the citronella compound that repels mosquitoes. Murphy's Natural Lemon Eucalyptus Oil is also free of synthetic chemicals and fragrance additives, making it friendly to the user and the environment. Since the human scent naturally attracts mosquitoes, this essential oil, when applied on the skin, works by masking this scent from mosquitoes. Handcraft Blends Citronella Essential Oil. The Handcraft Blends Citronella Essential Oil is another essential oil that repels mosquitoes. Citronella oil is a distillate of an Asian grass plant in the Cymbopogon genus. It contains citronella and geraniol, which are insect-repellant compounds. Its floral citrus-like aroma naturally repels mosquitoes. In addition, citronella oil can treat parasitic infections, promote wound healing, and act as an antifungal agent. The Handcraft Blends Citronella Essential Oil is made of 100% citronella oil and blends seamlessly with various other essential oils like peppermint and lavender to give you a designed fragrance without losing its mosquito repulsion property. Victoria's Lavender Organic Don't Bug Me Insect Spray. Lavender oil is known for its sweet and strong floral fragrance, which repels most insects. It contains a compound, Linalool, which overwhelms the mosquitoes. Lavender oil also contains antifungal, analgesic, and antiseptic properties that create a soothing effect on the skin. Victoria's Lavender Organic Don't Bug Me Spray contains organic aloe vera, which is gentle on the skin. It also has a sweet citrus and lavender scent that effectively repels mosquitoes. This essential oil spray lasts longer and can be used outdoors. It is also designed for use by pets such as dogs and horses. Which is the best? The Murphy's Natural Lemon Eucalyptus Oil is the best essential oil to repel mosquitoes because it masks the human scent, which attracts mosquitoes. Once applied, it lasts longer on the skin, which guarantees protection for an extended period. It also uses natural ingredients, which makes it user-friendly and environmentally friendly. Thanks for watching.